The Indian Supreme Court has issued a stern warning to high courts regarding economic offenses. The court stressed the need for caution when dismissing cases prematurely. This is especially important in the initial stages of investigations. Economic offenses are not ordinary crimes, they have far-reaching implications for the nation. The Supreme Court's stance reflects a deep understanding of economic crimes. These crimes are not victimless. They can cripple a nation's financial system. The court recognizes the need to protect India's economic interests. This ruling serves as a powerful deterrent against financial misconduct. This landmark ruling has sent a clear message. The judiciary is committed to upholding the law. It will hold those accountable who engage in economic malfeasance. The ruling is a testament to the court's dedication to justice and fairness. The Supreme Court's emphasis on economic offenses is not unfounded. These offenses are distinct from conventional crimes. They often involve complex schemes and sophisticated perpetrators. The damage inflicted extends beyond immediate victims. Economic offenses can erode public trust in financial institutions. They can also destabilize markets and deter investment. The consequences are felt by innocent citizens, businesses, and the nation as a whole. Therefore, these offenses demand a different level of scrutiny. Thorough investigations are crucial in these cases. Unraveling complex financial transactions takes time and expertise. Prematurely dismissing cases can allow perpetrators to escape justice. It also undermines the credibility of law enforcement. The case of Dinesh Sharma v. MG Cables and Communication Limited and ANR illustrates the court's concerns. This case involved allegations of serious financial irregularities. The accused were suspected of creating shell companies. These companies were allegedly used to siphon funds and defraud investors. The Rajasthan High Court initially quashed the FIR. It viewed the dispute as a civil matter. However, the Supreme Court overturned this decision. It ruled that economic offenses cannot be treated lightly. The court recognized the potential for broader damage to the economy. This case highlights the importance of thorough investigations. It also underscores the need for judicial restraint in dismissing economic offense cases prematurely. The Supreme Court's intervention ensured that justice could run its course. The Supreme Court made a crucial observation in the Dinesh Sharma case. A history of civil or commercial transactions does not preclude criminal intent. In other words, what appears to be a simple business dispute may conceal a deeper conspiracy. This is particularly relevant in economic offenses. Perpetrators often exploit legal loopholes for illegal gains. They may disguise their actions as legitimate business dealings. This makes it challenging to distinguish between civil disputes and genuine economic crimes. Hence, a superficial examination is insufficient. The court recognized this complexity. It emphasized that the mere existence of a prior business relationship should not be grounds for dismissing a case. A thorough investigation is essential to uncover the true nature of the transactions. Section 5. Upholding the integrity of investigations. The Supreme Court's ruling reinforces the importance of due process. Investigating agencies play a vital role in upholding the law. They require sufficient time and space to gather evidence, interrogate suspects, and build a strong case. Premature judicial intervention can jeopardize these efforts. Quashing FIRs at an early stage can hamper investigations. It can also send a message that the judiciary is not serious about economic crimes. This can embolden perpetrators and weaken the deterrent effect of the law. The court's stance empowers investigating agencies. It allows them to perform their duties without undue interference. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the justice system. Section 6. Legal precedents, guiding principles. The Supreme Court's ruling is not an isolated event. It is deeply rooted in legal precedent. The court cited several landmark judgments to support its stance. These precedents provide a strong legal foundation for its decision. One such precedent is the case of Kurukshetra University, and another versus State of Haryana, and another, from 1977. This case established the importance of thorough investigations before dismissing cases. The court reiterated this principle in the Dinesh Sharma case. Another significant precedent is Parbhatbhai Ahir versus State of Gujarat, and another, from 2017. This case highlighted the broader consequences of economic offenses. The court emphasized their impact on the nation's financial health. Section 7. Safeguarding public trust and financial stability. The Supreme Court's ruling has profound implications for India's economic landscape. Economic offences not only harm individuals, they also erode public trust in the market and financial institutions. This can have a devastating impact on investment and growth. When people lose faith in the system, they are less likely to participate in it. They may hesitate to invest their savings, fearing fraud and scams. This can lead to a vicious cycle of economic decline. The court's stand on economic offences is therefore crucial for maintaining economic stability. It sends a clear message that India is serious about tackling financial crimes. This, in turn, fosters investor confidence and promotes economic growth. Section 8. A call for judicial vigilance. The Supreme Court's ruling is a call for increased vigilance from the judiciary. High courts play a critical role in upholding the rule of law. Their decisions have far-reaching consequences. Therefore, they must exercise caution and sound judgment, especially in cases involving economic offenses. The court's message is clear: do not dismiss economic offense cases lightly. Scrutinize the evidence, consider the broader implications, and ensure that justice is served. This requires a deep understanding of economic laws and a commitment to upholding financial integrity. The Supreme Court's ruling sets a powerful precedent. It encourages a more proactive and responsible judiciary. This is essential for maintaining public trust in the legal system. Section 9. The road ahead: strengthening India's economic fabric. The Dinesh Sharma case and the Supreme Court's subsequent ruling mark a significant development in India's fight against economic offenses. The judgment sends a strong message to potential offenders. It also reaffirms the judiciary's commitment to protecting the nation's economic interests. This ruling is not the end, but rather a crucial step towards a more robust and resilient economy. It sets the stage for stronger enforcement of economic laws and greater accountability. In conclusion, the Supreme Court's bold stand against economic offenses is commendable. It reflects a deep understanding of the gravity of these crimes and their potential to damage the nation. This landmark ruling will undoubtedly have a positive impact on India's economic landscape for years to come.